Alright, so I definitely want to give a shout out to Gamesir for hooking me up with yet again another beautiful gaming controller. Here we have the new G8 USB-C gaming controller that works with both iOS and Android devices. So, while we unbox this beauty, I quickly want to talk about the giveaway for a new G8 controller that I will ship out to the winner during the end of December. To enter, it's quite simple. All that is required is for you to be subscribed, to like and comment on either this video or my perf dog tutorial. Now with that being said, let's continue the unboxing. Now with first impressions, I can already tell this controller is honestly the most premium feeling out of all the mobile gaming controllers I've tested on this channel. I really like the swappable thumbsticks, and even more, each thumbstick and button has Hall effect sensors, the cover material feels premium, and the ABXY buttons are mechanical. Buttons in the back are programmable, also supports pass-through charging, and has a headphone jack. This is such an amazing controller. Now, I know some of you were asking me whether this controller has case support, and the answer is yes. I went ahead and found the thickest case for my iPhone 15 Pro Max, and it still fits perfectly with this G8 gaming controller. Again, this thing feels so premium and honestly feels more comfortable than my Switch, Steam Deck, or ROG Ally. But now with my initial impressions out of the way, I will do an hour or so of gaming and get back to you with my final verdict.
Agent, we got a call about a kidnapped civilian not far from where you're located. Can you offer them assistance?
Let me out! Somebody please! I need help!
So I gamed for about a good hour, and to be brief, this controller lived up to its hype. Everything about this controller is honestly perfect. Aiming felt flawless and smooth, controls again felt premium, and hands down, beats the backbone or Razer quiche gaming controller. I haven't been this excited about a gaming controller in quite some time. This is the real deal. Taking all of this into consideration, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for my G8 gaming controller giveaway later in December.